Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about PostgreSQL sequences. So the sequence is a number or integer which are arranged in ascending or descending order. Okay, let's see how we can create a sequence in PostgreSQL. This is the syntax of creating a sequence. Create sequence and sequence name. Okay, I have created a sequence. Let's drop it. Create sequence and sequence name, or you can use create sequence and if not exist keyword and then name of sequence. Which is better? The second is better. And good also, if I create a sequence here and let's run this only, the sequence is created. And if I run the second query, the sequence is already exist, but it give me just a notice. Oh, sequence with name is created. Okay, let's create a sequence with seq keyword. If I run this, they need to notice me that the already exist and query returned successfully. It not giving me an error. So now if I run this, it will give me an error already exist. So the better way is if not exist keyword. Okay, now the sequence is created seq. If I in the database, if you come here in the inside schemas and in public schema, there is a sequence is here. All the sequences for the schemas are here. Okay, let's see. There are some function to use a sequence. Suppose the function is next val function. Suppose sequence next val and followed in bracket name of sequence. This is the syntax. Okay, let's see the seq sequence inside the code and let's run this query. You can see that the value is 1. If I run this again, the value is 2, 3, 4. This the data type for this next value is big integer. So we can create a sequence. Okay, so what if you want to show the current sequence? Then currval in bracket name of sequence. The name of sequence we know that seq, but it not understand if you do not put here this name in string. Okay, now it will understand. Now we know that the current value is 4. Let's see using current val function. Yes, current value is 4. That's it. Okay, let's see. Can we set some value to the sequence? Yes, there is a function called set value. The syntax is select set value and in bracket name of sequence and the value. Okay, let's see. The name is, let's give name sequence and the value is 100. So the sequence will start from 100. Let's see. Let's run the query. And now if I check the current value, then it will give me an 100 or error 100. If I use this now next value function, then it will increment one by one, 100, 2, 103, like that. Okay, so the set value is used to. Okay, so what if I use here false? Let's see. Let's run the query. The set value function, the sequence will start with 100. Here you can see that if I use this next val function, then it will not increment for once. It is 100. If I check the current value, it is 100. And if I run next value function again, oh, then it will increment 1, 2, like that. So this fall skip once. This fall skip one number or one integer when we are using next value function. So by default it is a true, means there is no skip, or it skip once if you use false. Okay, after set val, there is one more function. So the sequence is ordered list of integer and the data type is by default big integer. It can be arranged in ascending or descending order. So we can assign some value to this, okay, at the time of creation of sequence. Like we are setting value 100. Like that, can we assign this value at the time of creation of sequence? Yes, we can. Start with the help of start with keyword and value. Suppose the value is 50. It will not gonna run because the sequence is already exist. So if I refresh here, the query is written successfully, and if I see the value is 102. So it will not gonna run. Okay, let's delete first and create again, or create new, or you can create a new sequence as you want. Okay, now create sequence with 50, and if I run the current value, you can see that the current value is not yet assigned because first we need to run this function next value. After that we can, now it will start with 50 and incremented by 1. After that we can use current value function, not before that. Okay, current value is 50. So that's all about creating a sequence with start with value. Thank you.